Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water flossers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or the ultimate premium device, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the COSLUS Water Denti Flosser Pick for Teeth. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $19.99, but it still packs a punch with its range of features. The device offers 4 cleaning modes with adjustable water pressure ranging from 30 to 150 psi, making it suitable for users of all ages and oral care needs. It also includes 4 multifunctional nozzles, allowing you to customize your flossing experience. The design is lightweight and portable, featuring a 300 milliliter detachable water tank that eliminates the need for frequent refills. The wide mouth design ensures easy cleaning and filling, a thoughtful touch for a device at this price point. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can safely use it in the shower. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 60 uses on a single 3-hour charge, making it ideal for travel. While this water flosser is great for basic oral care, its lower price means it lacks some of the advanced features found in premium models. The build quality is decent, but not as durable as higher-end options. If you're on a tight budget or just trying out water flossing for the first time, this is a solid entry-level choice. However, serious dental enthusiasts might want to consider a more feature-rich model. At number 4, we have the Only One Water Dental Flosser, priced at $23.39. This portable flosser is endorsed by U.S. dentists and boasts 1,500 to 2,000 pulses per minute at adjustable pressure settings between 50 and 150 psi. It features 4 cleaning modes and comes with 5 interchangeable tips, giving you tailored care for every member of the family. The 300 milliliters water tank is BPA-free and designed for convenience, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without constant refills. The device is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel. Its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures safe usage in the shower, and the battery life provides up to 30 days of use on a single 3-hour charge. While the memory function is a nice touch, saving your preferred settings for easier operation, the device operates quietly at just 55 dB, which is a bonus for sensitive environments. However, the Only One flosser lacks some advanced features, such as multiple operation modes or ADA certification, which may be important for users seeking clinically proven effectiveness. The build quality is solid, but doesn't feel as premium as higher-ranked models on this list. Overall, this is a great choice for those who want a reliable, mid-tier water flosser at an affordable price. Coming in at number 3 is the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick, priced at $29.98. This model stands out for its advanced dual-thread water pulse technology, which delivers 1,400 to 1,800 pulses per minute for a deep clean. Professionally evaluated by an American dental team, this flosser is capable of removing up to 3 times more plaque than traditional flossing methods, making it a great option for improving gum health and preventing cavities. The design is user-friendly and portable, featuring a 300 milliliter upgraded water tank that eliminates the hassle of frequent refills. The ergonomic handle and 5 interchangeable tips make it suitable for different oral care needs, from children to seniors. Battery life is exceptional, lasting up to 30 days on a single 3-hour charge. It's also IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it safely in the shower. While this flosser offers excellent performance for its price, it doesn't come with ADA certification or advanced features like massage modes or timers. Additionally, the lack of an included adapter might be inconvenient for some users. Overall, this is a fantastic mid-range option for those looking for a reliable, portable device with effective cleaning capabilities. Taking the number 2 spot is the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser, priced at $73.81. As the first water flosser brand to earn the ADA seal of acceptance, Waterpik sets the standard for safety and effectiveness. This model features a rechargeable design with up to 4 weeks of use per charge, making it perfect for travel. It comes with a microfiber travel bag, tick storage case, and a magnetic USB charger for added convenience. The 360-degree rotating tip allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas, while 3 adjustable pressure settings let you customize your cleaning experience. The removable 7-ounce reservoir provides up to 45 seconds of flossing time and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Plus, its precision pulse technology effectively removes up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas. While this flosser is an excellent choice for portability and clinical effectiveness, its smaller reservoir and higher price point may not be ideal for those seeking a more budget-friendly option. Overall, this is a premium portable solution for users who value ADA certification and proven dental benefits. And finally, at number 1, we have the Waterpik Aquarius water flosser, priced at $79.97. This is the ultimate water flosser for anyone seeking advanced features and unmatched performance. With 10 pressure settings and 2 modes, cleaning and gum massage, you can personalize your flossing experience to suit your needs. The built-in timer and pacer ensure that you floss for the recommended amount of time. The Aquarius comes with 7 interchangeable tips, making it ideal for multi-user households or specific dental needs like braces. The large 22-ounce reservoir provides over 90 seconds of flossing time, eliminating the need for constant refills. Its ADA certification guarantees clinical effectiveness, removing up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria and improving gum health. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty and supported by Waterpik's dedicated customer service team, this device is built to last. While it's not portable and requires a corded electric power source, the Aquarius is the gold standard for home use. If you're looking for the best in water flossing technology and don't mind paying a premium, this is the device for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect water flosser for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments which water flosser you're planning to pick up, or if you have any questions about the products we covered. I'll be happy to help you out.